Hello everyone, welcome back to FIXsage. In today's video, I will show you how to fix laptop overheating issues in both Windows 10 or 11. Laptop heating issue can be caused because of Windows settings. So I will show you how to change them. So without further delay, let's start. First, we need to adjust the power settings. So go to start, click on settings. In the left side there is the option system. Click on that. Right side look for power and battery. Here it is. Click on that. In this window there is the option power mode. Check is that power mode option should be selected as balanced for both plugged in and on battery. It should be selected as balanced. This reduces the heat by limiting the unnecessary performance spikes. So after changing to the balanced, close this window. Next one is closing the background apps. For that, we need to open the task manager, press Ctrl Shift Escape. It will open the task manager. In the task manager window, check CPU and memory usage percentages. Check which apps are using the more CPU and memory, and selecting that app, right click and click on that end task so that we can kill that process. Lesser the load means lesser the heat. So after that, close the task manager. Next one is updating the graphics or chipset drivers. Sometimes outdated graphics and chipset drivers can cause the overheating. So press Windows X, it will open the menu bar. There is the option device manager. Click on that. In the device manager window, select display adapters. These are the graphic cards. So select the any graphic card, right click on the option update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers. It says the best drivers for your device already installed. So no need to update. And one more graphics card is there. Just right click and update driver. Do this for all the display adapters available in this device manager. So after updating, close the device manager and restart the laptop once. Next one is cleaning the temporary files. So if you don't want to clear the temporary files timely, so we can enable that storage sense so that it will automatically delete the temporary files. So go to search for storage settings. Hit the enter key. In the window, look for storage sense. Check this should be on. If it is off, just turn it on. It will automatically delete the temporary files and it will schedule the cleanup. Means if any uninstalled apps data will be available, it will clear. This improves the performance and reduces the CPU stress. After doing this, close this window. Next one is enabling the battery saver mode. So go to start, settings. On the left side select the system, right side look for power and battery. There is an option energy saver and battery saver are both are same. So select that one. It will show options like always use energy saver, turn energy saver automatically when battery level is at certain percentage. So if you want to keep the energy saver or battery saver always on, so you just toggle this button on or else off. Or if you want to turn on the battery saver when your battery hits to the particular percentage, you can select that option here. Or if you don't want to do this, click on never, or if you want to do that always, you can select it. Turning it on keeps the system cool during the normal use. After changing the settings, close this window. Other than this, there is some physical tips. Place your laptop on a hard surface, not a bed or pillow. Use a cooling pad if possible, and clean the air vents with the compressed air to improve the airflow. These methods will help reduce the laptop overheating issues on Windows 10 or 11. And that's it. If this video helped, please like, share and subscribe to FIXsage for more quick Windows fixes. Thank you for watching.